guardianship case, I was appointed to represent a person with the title PING, P-I-N-G. That stands for a person in need of a guardianship. A guardianship is where one adult person files to be the guardian of the person and property of another adult person. So it's a parental role, and that person, the person that files it is called a petitioner. And the petitioner could also be the person that would like to be the guardian. They don't have to be the same. And as we go along in that type of a proceeding, if the judge understands or the petitioner cannot demonstrate that the person is in need of a guardian to the level of being an incapacitated person, well then there's a less intrusive approach where that person can consent, C-O-N-S-E-N-T, consent to the issuance of an order, and that's the label assigned to that person. Now, I have been appointed to a person, made this consent agreement. Now, I am the attorney for the person in need of a guardianship. And this person lives on his own. He pays some of his bills, and he does have a guardian. And the guardian helps him with issues related to securing a doctor, maintenance of the balance of this person's money, assists with where this individual can live. So there had been an issue with this individual's apartment, and the guardian assisted. Now, my role as attorney for this person was to shepherd him through process, and there just happens to be another litigation involved my client that was brought out by other people in the family. Don't want to share too much. It's an interesting case in that my person is super smart, can provide me plethora of information, dates, facts, figures. This person had a very high-level job at one point, highly educated, some of the best schools and graduate school as well. Really can assist in the defense of the litigation, and it may very well be that there's going to come a point that he's going to remove his consent, and if he removes his consent, then there's a burden. Leave the burden for another. Do we have the burden to demonstrate the guardianship shouldn't be, or does the original petitioner have to demonstrate that this person? I always wanted to leave off on a cliffhanger.